Design Gateway Serial SATA IP core with host controller IP and RAID0 design on Intel FPGA. Realizes the best performance and minimum latency. And it achieves ultra-high-speed sustained transmission. It supports DGIF Type S interface to realize mutual switch to NVMe IP core easily. Small resource usage is suitable to build multi-channel RAID system. 4 channels RAID reference design demonstrates the ultra-high performance RAID0 read-write operation. 4 pairs of serial SATA IP core and host IP core combines to build a pure hardware RAID0 controller. Host IP core's data path can connect directly with on-chip FIFO. RAID0 control path is mapped with processor system in QSys tool. Read-write operation can be controlled by processor firmware. Data generation and verification handled by test logic. The reference design is simple to use and shorten your development time. This performance demo is available on Intel Arria 10SX board before purchasing the IP core. Identify device command shows SSD model and the capacity. It detects 4 SSDs and shows total capacity 1 TB. Write SSD command to input start sector address, the number of sector size and data pattern. During writing, the display shows total transferred data size every second. When the transmission completed, the display shows writing data size, execution time and write speed. The write speed is 2076 MB per second. Read SSD command to input start sector address, the number of sector size and data pattern. (34 GB data transmission only takes 15 seconds. The read speed is 2220 MB per second. For more detail, please visit Design Gateway website.